Alright, today we're gonna run a different experiment. I'm gonna show off PRV. A lot of guys was asking about the PRV and the Neodymium magnets. Also, I have GPRO audio Neodymium magnets. This guy is the cheaper, like around $50,000 range. And I have a Bema made in Italy. This is expensive, also Neodymium magnets. So we're gonna run this comparison. I have a regular PRV. We're gonna give them a lot more power today, and we'll see it. Of course, I'm gonna do in the box test when I finish up, when I choose the best of the best speakers, right? Don't trash my channels. Like guys who's commenting my channel, big thumbs up. I love your comments, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe it. We're gonna run a lot of crazy experiments, all kind of speakers, right? The different kind of speakers. So let's try it. So we're gonna, if you like my previous video, guys, if I show you here on the background how the speaker jumps, I can do it on the next video. So just let me know if you like that type of the second shot the camera or not. So we're gonna run the BS music from non-copyright sound, because I cannot play, you know, the better your favorite music because the copyright issue. So let's start. This is the regular full range speaker. The reason why I'm showing it, I told you last time, you're gonna see how the regular speaker will respond for So that's how sounds your regular speaker, right? So now it's like almost the maximum for this speaker. Now we're gonna take the PRV with the microscopic magnets, 120, 25 watts RMS. Hi. So I'm telling you, this is nice. It's cleaner and it's still loud. So we're gonna get regular PRV. You guys waiting Bema, right? The B&C, right? I know you guys waiting. Let's do it. Made in Italy. Better sound. It's better. It's this is a scenario when you're paying your money, the hard cash, and you're getting quality sound. That's the case. You see, this is okay. Let me do side by side now. Do I have any neodymium magnets? Next part, I'm gonna order a bunch of neodymium magnets, expensive ones, and we'll see. Maybe I'm gonna order this down for sound, Arnold, Sylvester, all kind of, you know. It's a lot of guys asking those speakers because you guys watching from the dealer. The difference with this kind of review from the dealer also says, holy shit, that shit is nice, you know, you gotta spend your money. And yeah, you gotta go ahead and spend it. But before doing all that crazy stuff, subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help me a lot. I'm gonna give them some juice. Make sure it's like red is red.
Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over, we don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours.
Okay, let me do side by side, two speakers.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Let's escape. Let's escape.
Okay, more cleaner, this guy, but the PRV gives the more mid-bass, mid-range.
I'll hold you close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. Open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life. Say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.
I think B&C can handle a lot more volume, so I'm running the 60%. Let me give, oh shit, it's gonna be let me give him the little bit juice. Are you guys ready?
Touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't need. Into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape
shit. Oh, that's it. I cannot do. It's like I need some plugs. I don't know how much power they can handle. I think B&C can handle more than that. I crossed them a lot higher. I cut all the bass and I crossed them a lot higher. So let me play the same music. Oh, that's gonna be loud. That's gonna be loud. That's it. Oh shit. Yeah. That's how you tune your speakers and run them like correct. Not giving too much bass. But yeah. So this guy handles a lot more power. I don't know, it doesn't say any sticker and I couldn't find in the description how much the maximum power. Guys, comment below what do you think about this speaker. So even even I crossed the crossover a lot higher, you see these guys like stop jumping. They just, you know, the blasting sound, not jumping. This guy's still making the bass. So this, it's a, you know, it's like a full range speaker in the mid-range speaker, mid-bass speaker, right? So yeah, this is definitely sounds better than this, a lot cleaner. What about this guy? When I cross it down, MTX. Wait. Add to your shopping bag. It's called B&C MTX. Yeah, it's mid-range speaker, clean mid-range speaker. It's in your shopping bag or in the watch list. You see what I'm putting that. So let's come back to neodymium magnets and blast them. Blast. This guy surprised me, to be honest, with little tiny magnets and produced bass, and you know the highs is higher than PRV. But PRV, like all the PRV speakers, they have a specific sound. It's like knocking in your ear. Like it's like I don't know. They tune that. It goes inside to your ear and knock ear drums. It's that kind of, you know, the harsh If you add, of course, tweeters, maybe it's gonna be sound better. But when you listen to PRVs, like, you feel like something is compressing your ear. But this guy is producing very good sound. Like, it's louder. Of course it's louder because it's like double price. Maybe from that it's like 4 times price. But it's producing very good sound. Alright guys, let's run the different tests, different speakers, right? God. If you need to subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe it. So we're gonna run all kinds of speakers. The best of the best we're gonna throw to the cage. Cage, it means the box. And in the box we're gonna run them in proper outputs. You guys skipping my video and you commenting exactly the same things I told you already.